Hello everyone, hello. I will be sharing my screen. Okay, so if you can confirm please that you are able to see my screen and listening to me. Okay, so once again, hello everyone and welcome to a new webinar provided by Centurion Invest. This is your host, Rami Kamar. I hope you're all doing well. I know the markets are not like acting as usual, huge volatility in the markets, especially with the Fed and other central banks going in. I would like first to start my webinar with our page, our website, which is centurioninvest.com, and I will be logging in our website to show you some features and other things related to our website, and of course, most importantly, is our Visa card that I will be talking about in a bit. Just making sure that everything is going well. Okay, so here at Centurion Invest, you can see your account overview. So you can see how much you have in USDT, in USD, Euro, other coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, Ripple, whatever you want. And of course, the CIX, which is now priced at 0.337, approximately 24% up from the pricing list. So even investors who bought at phase 3 or like the last round 3, uh, are in 24% profit. So I will be talking about CIX later as well. For now, I will be focusing about the CIX card. So as you can see here, guys, the CIX card uh, is basically a Visa card that you can connect it to your CI wallet. So you can convert from crypto to cash instantly. You can do whatever you want with the Visa card, over 200 countries, and pay wherever you want, over 2 million merchants. So just imagine that you have some USDT in your wallet that you are not able to sell or able to withdraw. You can just simply top up your card with these USDT and pay them as a normal Visa card wherever you go. So that's something huge. Of course, we have 4 packages. The first, where you don't buy CIX, you pay a monthly subscription. However, if you buy CIX, you can have the Elite card, the Infinite card, which is the $5,000 CIX, and the 10,000 CIX, which is the Maximus. So this is regarding the Visa card. Let's talk more about, let's say, we have a lot of things. I will mention some of the gift cards you can buy using the CI card. So you can buy Amazon gift card, Apple, Jawakir, whatever you might think of. So that's it with Centurion Invest, guys. Let's talk about some trading. Please, if you have any questions, uh, comment them, whatever you want: stock market, crypto market, forex market, regarding career, regarding everything. I will be more than ready to answer, and let's go. So I will first like to go to a Forex Factory so that we can see some of the important highlights for the week, important news for the week. I can see people are joining, so please comment if you have any questions. Till now, I can't see any questions. Okay. So Monday passed, guys. We didn't have enough, or let's say not enough. We didn't have major news Monday, and as well as today, we don't have major news. As you can see, basically the industrial production is one thing to look at. It is a leading indicator. We can see like how much the factories are working in the USA, which gives us a bit of a hint if we are in the bottom of the recession, if we are in the top of the recession. And for everyone who's asking, we are currently in a recession. We are not heading towards a recession. We have been in recession for like 3 to 4 months, even more. However, it's not advertised as it should in the media, because when the media states that we are in a recession, you should know that you are in the end of a recession. So be careful about this, guys. The numbers clearly show that we are in a recession, and of course, what's coming is a bit worse, but we are already in a recession. So let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday, we have a lot of news. However, it's not related to the USD, it's related to the pound. So you can see at 9 a.m. Beirut time, we have the CPI, which is the inflation indicator. It was previously at 9.9. It's expected to peak at 10. So everything above 10%, guys, is very, very bad for the British economy. This means that the government will kick in, or will like the Bank of England will interfere, maybe raise interest rates a lot more. However, one thing to note about the pound is that it's not that easy to analyze, especially in this circumstances, because they are facing a lot of troubles. Uh, one of these is the liquidity in their social security. So they can't be aggressive raising interest rates. So personally, I would prefer to stay away from the pound, as the USD is clearer. And the whole week, basically, we don't have big news for USD, except for this, which is Thursday. It is the manufacturing index. It's somehow close to the industrial production index here, so they might be related. We will be talking about the manufacturing index later on. I would prefer now to. Oh, and we have also an unemployment claims. Of course, it's not as important as the unemployment rate that we saw last week, which clearly moved the markets. However, we should keep an eye on it, as it will be in, like an indicator on what the Fed might act next. So let's start with analyzing. I'll first start with the Bitcoin. First, like to start with the crypto market. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, Bitcoin has been in the range of 20,300, 18,300 for like the past month. From 17 September, it has entered this range after this huge dump from 22 till 20. So it has entered a range. You can see that we have big wicks, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, and also it failed to break this as well. Looking at the daily, we can see that also this wick is somewhat like an indicator that there's something not good happening in the market. Bitcoin like tried to go up, had a huge resistance, and actually failed and got back down. The daily candles right here are bullish, yes, but it's not as bullish, or like it's not that big in order to continue the move up. So on the daily time frame, I can't see any trades unless we either go to this level or we go to this level. Now, if we want to zoom in, Let's go to the 4 hours. Okay, so here we can see for the 4 hours candle, as you can see, guys, we are facing rejections at this level right here. So I will draw this mini resistance level, and this is the mini support level, or let's say minor support and minor resistance. So we are facing some rejections. Bitcoin is not able to go above 19,500 and actually broke it with 1 4 hour candles up. The next 4 hours candle, which is this bearish candle, corrected almost 99% of the move. So this is an indication to stay out of the market right now until a candle close within your direction. So what I would like to see is a candle closing either at this level or below this level. Below this level. If we close below 19,500, guys, we have a clear move down. So I would gladly take a short right here, targeting the next support level, which we talked about, which is 19,000, 19,100. This is the minor support level, and of course, if we were able, if the dump was huge and there was volume, I would gladly take another short, targeting the major support level, which is the 18,400. For now, I'm staying out of the market, maybe like for another 4 hours, 5 hours. I don't know, maybe till the New York session, which is approximately in 4 hours. So I'm staying out of the market currently, and this is what I have for Bitcoin. Yes, the chart is really, really bad. You can see here also, I will be removing all the drawings. If I Okay, so you can see this range right here that Bitcoin has been respecting for the past hours. So this is the 1 hour time frame. So each candle is 1 hour. And for the beginners, I will be doing beginners webinar starting next week, explaining trend lines, explaining support resistance. So if you'd like to join, you'll be more than welcome. Now, as I told you, let's look at this rectangle right here. So this is the range Bitcoin has been trading in for the past hours. It broke at this candle right here. If you can see the closure above this rectangle. However, with 1 hourly candle, it came back down. So eyes on this candle right here. Where would this candle close? If it closed again up, breaking the high of this candle, I will be taking the long. Okay, if it closes back in the range, I will be out of the market. If it closes below the range, I will be taking the short, as I mentioned. So be careful, guys. Be patient. Don't act in the market right now because it's really wicky right here. It's not clear what to do. So stay out of the market. Let's look at Ethereum. I will remove all drawings. Start with the daily candle, or also we can start with the weekly. Okay, so we are clearly in a bearish trend. There is no negotiation about this. We are clear that we topped at 4,700 in November, came down, corrected a bit, came down, corrected a bit, and then now we're going back down. However, if you can see, the past weeks for Ethereum has been really untradeable. Uh, you can see the wicks, you can see the rejections. It's really, really, really bad. I'll zoom into the daily to show you on a major support level that I'm looking at, which is this level 1280. So as you can see here, guys, the 1280 level is a huge support level. It has supported from 21 September till now, huge wicks below it, unable to break it, then back up, then back down, then back up. So for Ethereum also, it's really, really unpredictable right now. The whole crypto market actually needs like a stimulus to start its move, because we are seeing that the stock market is moving way better than the crypto market. I will be showing you some stocks right now that have moved a lot yesterday, and also as well we will be looking at the S&P and the Dow Jones. So for now, let's continue on Ethereum. You can see that on the daily, we have flipped bearish right here, but really this is untradeable. On the daily candle, we have no breakout, we have no support near, because the nearest support is down at 1280. So there's no way I will be taking a trade with a $50 stop loss or even more. I will be zooming directly into the 1 hour's time frame. Okay, so on the 1 hour, we can see that we have a minor resistance level at 1340. So you can see this level has been rejecting Ethereum quite well for the past month, from the 1st of October, let's say, or for the first week of October. We can see that it has rejected right here, two times here, and almost 3 times right here. So it is a good resistance level. So I'm not looking to buy here unless we break above this level right here. So if we break above 1240, I will be taking the long. However, as I said, we need to have volume. We need to have this stimulus for the cryptocurrencies. They are moving a lot slower than usual. So we have to be careful. For now, there is no trade on Ethereum. Even if you draw this channel, it's a bit steep. It's not as clear as it should be. We have a lot of stops where price can reject. I'm really not looking to take a trade on Ethereum unless we see a big move. So if we see a candle like this forming, then we correct a bit. I'll be taking a short approximately at this level. So the retest at 1318, 1317, it would be a good level to take a short. But as I said, we need to have volume. We need to wait for the New York session, which is in approximately 3 hours. So this is what I have for cryptocurrencies. Crypto Guru is saying it looks like a mini bull run in a bear market. Exactly. I will show you this in the let me show you this in the S&P. So if you look, guys, if you look at the weekly time frame, we are clearly in a bear market. Look at this. We have been going down since December, or let's say January. We have peaked and we have came down, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. So it's clear that we are in a corrective mode for the markets. We are not yet in the bull market, as I said. So for everyone who's taking a long, be careful. I will actually focus on the Dow Jones because it did a very nice move yesterday. So let's look at the 29K level. So the 29K level was the bottom for the Dow Jones for the time being. Last week we had a rally up and then we came back down again to retest the 29K level, and now we're back up. So what I'm looking for now in Dow Jones is this level right here. So what I'm looking is at this level right here. it's a huge resistance level. Actually, we have the 31K level, which has been rejecting for several times. So we have to be careful here, guys. I would rather take small entries on the smaller time frames. So in case we broke up above 30,800, we can see a good move until 31K. Just to show you guys so we can clearly see a move until the 31K level. However, if we break, we actually might have a quick trade right here. If we break below 30,540, 530, we can correct the whole move that it did in the morning, targeting 30,400, which is actually a 140 pips move. It is a big move. So if someone's experienced and knows how to trade the US 30, be careful at this level right here. The flip of the candle, if it was bearish, it will have a nice move down. So yeah, that's it, guys, for the markets. Someone has any questions? It's your time now before we close. Be taking a look at the gold for the time being. So this is my chart for gold. I will be looking for sells below this area or buys above this area targeting 1661, or sells right here targeting 1649. So that's it, guys. 2 more minutes for questions before we close.